So after thinking about this for a pretty long time, I figured the best way to make this video is really just to kind of break the rules a little bit. It's not a normal one room really, it's a car, but every shot in this video is going to be taken within these four walls.
She said that I don't look like me no more. I said I'm just tired. She said you're just tired. I said I saw you in the water.
Shoot. Sorry. I'll fix that in a minute. Stinking winding road, making it impossible to keep a camera straight. Fix this. Is that what it was? Yeah, alright. Gosh dang it. Just tried to start my car, it was already on. I can't believe how much video and photography can vary back and forth. Last night I took a photo for 20 minutes. That's one frame. This GoPro here, 16 minutes and 55 seconds. Way more frames than one. I mean, seriously, Manhattan is beautiful almost all the time. I mean, I'm just driving here, kind of in the middle of nowhere now. Look at this. It's so nice out. Such a nice drive right now. So I grew up always dogging on country music. I did not like it. I started listening to it because I liked this girl. Her dad's a farmer. She kind of grew up around that stuff. She doesn't even listen to country music now, so I don't know why I started doing this. Yes, that girl is my fiance. Country music gets to stay, I guess. I'm in a southern state of mind. So this is my favorite part of this video, for sure. I'm driving over a mile-long bridge right now, right over Tuttle. There's that bluff up there on the side. If you go through those trees over there, it's an amazing view. It's one of my favorite places. Isn't that just incredible? I don't get it when people say Kansas is boring or Kansas is lame. I think this place is awesome. I'm gonna pull over here for a second. This is an absolutely incredible view. My mom always told me that every night God gets out a canvas and paints the sunset. I think he did a pretty good job tonight. But yeah, that's really kind of it. That's my one room video. I figured it'd be more fun to do it this way opposed to making up a story and filming it all in my bedroom. I had a lot of fun making it, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, I guess. Holy crap, that GoPro's been going for an hour and 20 minutes. That's ridiculous.